Indian Community Relief Fund is a non-government, non-profit organization formed and working under the patronage of the Embassy of India, Kingdom of Bahrain. Formed in the year 1999, the primary objective of ICRF is to ensure the general welfare of the Indian laborers in Bahrain. Since its inception, ICRF has been in the forefront for charity services, and we are continuing our legacy to serve the downtrodden and deprived members of the Indian community. We extend support to our underprivileged fellow countrymen in case of any contingency. Our contribution to the need of the community probably is a drop in an ocean, yet we are so eager to join hands in helping the needy. ICRF has set up various teams to extend timely support to the needy Indians. Our services include emergency helplines, legal assistance, hospital visits, medical camps, blood donation camps, mortuary visits and repatriation of mortal remains, jail assistance, assistance with immigration and LMRA, assistance to housemates by providing temporary shelters, humanitarian, legal and financial support, regular visit to labor camps to ensure basic amenities, assisting Indian nationals in case help referred by Indian Embassy, just to name a few. As one of the major functions of ICRF, the Family Welfare Fund supports the family members of unfortunate Indians. The Family Welfare Fund will provide financial assistance of Rs 1 lakh to the dependent of a deceased Indian residing in Bahrain who earns less than BD 100 per month. This scheme has been a great support and help to many unfortunate families who lost their breadwinner. The scheme from its inception has supported over 525 families so far. This could be one of the greatest satisfaction that every ICRF member holds close to their heart. Though we pray that none shall be victim of the unfortunate tragedy, we assure the family of the unfortunate souls shall be extended a hand of support to face the unexpected adversity. During the peak of COVID pandemic, ICRF team has extended their hands to thousands of individuals and families who were in distress. Our reach out programs included food assistance to the tune of 60 tons of dry ration and material to thousands of families, over 30,000 face masks, antibacterial soaps, sanitizers, along with awareness campaign flyers, hundreds of repatriation flight tickets to their homelands, Family Welfare Fund support to many families, including COVID-19 victims who lost their lives, numerous online webinars to spread awareness to the community, just to name a few. We take this opportunity to thank all our generous sponsors who extended their hands and joined with ICRF in supporting the community. We take this opportunity to thank the Government of Bahrain for taking those extra steps to protect each one of us, the residents, during the testing times of COVID-19. It is our great privilege to work under the leadership of His Excellency Mr. Piyush Srivastava, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Bahrain, who always guides us and leads us from front in all our initiatives and activities. Within a short span of time, His Excellency has earned the name of People's Ambassador, and ICRF is honored to work under his patronage. We always rely upon the great advice and directions of Mr. Ravi Shankar Shukla, Second Secretary, the Embassy of India. We express our sincere thanks to His Excellency the Ambassador, Embassy officials and the staff for their continued support and supervision in helping the needy in our community. Today, India is a great nation, second largest populated nation, immense in wealth, youngest workforce, technologically advanced even in space research, dominant foreign policymaker. Yet, we have millions of underprivileged fellow beings who travels across the seas to sustain their lives. Here comes the importance of Indian Community Relief Fund, which helps each of our fellow Indians in case of a need. So we sincerely urge all Indians to come forward to extend their voluntary hands and support with their generous contributions and be part of a noble cause. The Indian Community Relief Fund is ever here, extending our hands.
Indian Community Relief Fund, committed to welfare.